Hi, do you know when to use go, play and do when speaking about sports? This is Susan Broder from Speak Languages and Travel the World, here to help you improve your English with minimum effort and maximum benefit. Now, many people don't know when to use go, play and do with different sports. And it's not really easy, but it's easier than it seems. So any sports which end in ing are used with go. For example, I go swimming, I go skating, I go skiing, I go dancing. 99% of the activities in ing, you go and you do them. Then anything which is a game, you play. So you play football, you play tennis, you play basketball, you play volleyball, you play rugby, all games, even chess, you play Monopoly, any game you play. Okay, so we have go dancing, play Monopoly, go swimming, play rugby. What is do? Do are all the other activities which are mainly martial arts. So do yoga, which isn't really a martial art, but do yoga, do karate, do taekwondo, do tai chi, etc. But also do athletics. And an exception to the ing form is do fencing. You don't usually go fencing, you do fencing. For those of you who don't know what fencing is, it's when you have a long sword and you, you have a competition with swords. Okay, that's fencing. So let's summarize. You play a game, you go and do an activity which ends in ing, and all the others are do. So it's really quite easy. So I hope you enjoy doing your sports. And that's all for today. Bye. Bye-bye.